A recipe for all your summer barbecues, these are our sticky marinated tofu kebabs. Chop the block of tofu into large cubes and set aside. Cut the red onion into eighths and the green peppers into large chunks. In a mixing bowl, combine the marinade ingredients, that's grated garlic, ginger, lots of salt, tomato paste, curry powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, chili flakes, black pepper, golden syrup, and olive oil. Give this a good mix and now make a plant-based roux by warming olive oil in a saucepan, adding plain flour and stirring it for a few minutes over a high heat to cook out the flour until it's more golden and thickened. Now add this to the marinade and give it a really good mix. Stir through the tofu pieces and the green peppers, but leave out the onions so they don't fall apart. If you were feeling really organised, you can also prep the tofu the day before to let it really marinate. Get your kebabs assembled by alternating the tofu and veg onto wooden sticks. Now heat a grill or barbecue and fry the tofu kebabs until they're charred and the veg is cooked. Warm up the flatbreads or wraps and top it with some optional Herby Yoghurt, and then add the sticky tofu kebabs and top with a little coleslaw if you like some crunch. Or just enjoy this on its own because it's a banger.